Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a mower deck off a John Deere easy and fastest way. Alright, can you see what I did underneath here? 2x4 here and on the other side. Lower your mower deck down. Underneath here, take your clips, your washer, put that down. The other side, do the same thing. They turn it 90 degrees and then easier to do it. And do your front ones here. And then your washer. Pull, push back. Take the belt off the front of the pulley. There you go. One in the front. Pull the deck out a little bit. It's missing a clip here. Mine's missing. Pull out, let go, take the spring off. That out now. Just like that. Should only take you a couple minutes. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.